If you've been thinking about getting your basic X-ray license, but don't know where to start, or worried the state exam might be too hard to pass, you are not alone. Most people need a structured study program to pass. That's where we come in. Our BXMO exam prep course is designed to help you feel confident, prepared, and ready on test day. This prep course is open to anyone interested in taking the Florida BXMO licensure exam. You'll get study materials, hands-on positioning, mock exams, and real-world training. Join us in Orlando, April 11th through 12th and April 25th through 26th for an instructor-led, hands-on course with one of Florida's top board-certified chiropractic radiologists, Dr. Munyeong Choi. Spaces are limited, and this course will sell out. If you're ready to take on a bigger role in patient care, now is the time to go for it. Register now at myccpaonline.com/X-ray.